So, I was having a problem with this Fuji A170 digital camera, and the problem was that when you switched it on, it was showing up as card error. Now, at first I thought maybe it's because there's no card in there. So, what I did was to put in a card, and then when I did turn it on, it came up with the same message. It came up with card error. And first I checked to see whether or not um, the card that I was putting inside the camera was bigger than the technology of the camera when it was made. I checked online and checked the instruction booklet, and it said that it will take up to a 64 gig card. So I don't think it was that. So there was an issue in that it wasn't recognizing that card, and it's a really easy solution. What the issue was that the card wasn't formatted for the camera. So all I did was switch it on, pretend there's a card error message there. Then I just went into the menu, went down to setup, and then I tabbed across to format, and then I formatted the card. And then once I'd formatted that card, then it came up as it does now without the card error message. Switched it back off just to double check, switched it back on again, and then it was behaving exactly as it should have done. So this card error in this instance, the only issue was that the card wasn't formatted. It must have, it did have some content on it when I put it into the computer, but it was some PC program, so it must have had a different file allocation table or indexing or whatever it is, and the camera couldn't see that. Once that card was wiped on the computer, had nothing on it, and then put back into this camera, go through the menu, format the card for the camera, and then that worked fine.